Snapper on the deadly deck. Alright, caught something on the crystal minnow. Snagged the snapper. Alright, so I'm switching over to the ocean surf here. We got a nice like 10-mile-an-hour northeast wind, which is perfect. Come on. Not what I was trying to catch. Let me get you out of here, bud. Hang on, hang on. There we go. Glad I didn't have to handle him. That's never fun. There we go. Got some kind of fish on. Nothing big, but shad. That's what I saw blitzing. Later, bud. Got another one. Notice how with these guys, their eyes almost point upward. And you can tell that the way their mouth is, they sweep up on their prey from underneath. And that's why their eyes are in that, you know, orientation. All right, well, no bass yet, not even a bluefish. Maybe I should have come to the ocean surf first when it was still dark out. That might have changed things. I don't know. But you know, it's starting to feel like fall. Getting all those fall vibes, northeast winds, stormy mornings, fish blowing up everywhere. So definitely an encouraging thing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe and ring that bell for notifications on future content. I'll see you all in the next video.